There it is, 965 at 151.
Back and out every day because it's always been
Full interior.
this week since we got the tires on these. We really haven't had a chance to dial the car in.
Both seats belong on a real car, along with the TV, all the dash stuff.
Didn't race it for about 2 months. Okay. Did the cage bill. Then we take it one eat.
Headliners.
Thunder Valley.
Factory steel hood. When you guys pop that prop rod in there, please. Thank you. Buschur Racing, race front mount, no ice required. Factory brakes. Factory brakes. Something else. Operational emergency brake. Hey Tramp, pop the trunk. Damn, that thing's heavy. It's heavy because it's factory, baby.
There's the box.
That's an empty box. Yeah. That's ballast.
Man, I don't think
That keeps the kids' book bags from falling in.
just better launch angle. I'm selling those.